Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ashley. Thank you for clicking that play button. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of the products that I've been using for this month, the month of August. I originally tried to film a shop my stash kind of video. That video went to complete and utter shit. I lost majority of the clips, but I was committed to shopping my stash and using the products that I had picked for that video for the entire month of August. So now I'm trying to film again. Not sure when this video is going to go up. My birthday's in a few short days, Leo season. I have a mix of skincare as well as makeup. So if you want to see what I picked out for the shop my stash / August favorites, maybe, then just keep watching. I've got everything right here in my Caudalie bag. In no particular order, I'm just going to pull out product. I'm starting off with skincare, and then after the skincare portion, we'll move on to makeup, okay? I said I'm going to use up. I love these. It took me a really long time to finally start using them because I had a lot of cotton pads that I wanted to use up before I started using these, because people have said that like once you start using this, there's no way you can go back to just regular OG cotton. And it's true. I absolutely love these, but I still have cotton. Doesn't matter. You guys don't care. It's absolutely true. I absolutely love these, but I mean, cotton pads are still just as good, but these are pretty damn bomb. This is the Caudalie cleansing water. I've only been using it since the beginning of August, so I haven't really put that much of a dent into it. I don't think I'm going to finish it by the end of August, considering it's almost mid-month, but I will probably continue on throughout the fall using this. I really like it. It's just a nice added touch to my everyday skincare routine. So overall, so far, so good. This is from Drunk Elephant, and this is the Drunk Elephant B Hydra Intensive Serum, and this one is the C Firma Day Serum. Top of each, the B and the C, and I just put that on in the morning, and I absolutely love the Drunk Elephant. It's very expensive, but it's very, very good. Another serum. I have dry to very dry skin, especially in the winter. Like, I live in Canada. The Canadian winters can be absolutely brutal on my skin, so I love a lot of serums. So I have this serum right here. This is from Bioderma. There's not that much product left. I will probably end up finishing this by the end of the month, and this was gifted to me by my friend, and so far it's really good. It is the moisturizing concentrate, very dehydrated, sensitive skin. My skin's not really sensitive, but it's hella dehydrated, and I've been liking this, so I probably will end up repurchasing it. An eye makeup remover, and this is one of my favorites. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off eye makeup remover, and it's actually for your lids, lashes, and lips. I absolutely love this stuff. Halfway through, and I don't think I'll finish it by the end of the month, but it's something that I'll definitely continue on throughout the fall. So the next 3 items that I'm going to show you guys are part of my nighttime skincare routine, and 2 of them are part of the Estee Lauder nighttime repair. These are some sample versions. I've always kind of purchased the samples. I've always purchased other things and gotten the samples. I haven't actually gotten full size of this, but I've been using this stuff for a really long time. So anyways, this is the Advanced Night Repair Serum right here, and this is the eye cream. I absolutely love this stuff. It is definitely expensive, so if you can get anything from Estee Lauder, like their foundation, and they're throwing in the skincare, like the minis like this, I would highly recommend it because it's worth a try. And one of my favorites is this little guy right here. This is the Origins cream. This is the high potency, that's it, the high potency Nitamins. And essentially it's just a night cream. I just love the way it feels. It's very light on the skin, but it's also very, very hydrating, especially for my dry skin. And my skin absolutely loves this. I think my skin just really agrees well with the Origins line, like that brand. In terms of facial masks, I've really been liking the Caudalie mask, and this is the Instant Detox Mask. I really like it. I've used this maybe 3 times, 2 or 3 times, 2 for sure, I think 3 times. Pretty much, again, it's mid-month of August right now, and I really like it. I have definitely noticed a difference. The first time I used it, I was using it very sparingly, but now I'm actually using it as part of my skincare routine, and I have noticed a difference. I'm not really overly familiar with the Caudalie products, but I bought a Caudalie Favorites, and so far I've just kind of like fell in love with it, and this mask is like really, really good, guys. All right, so moving on to the fun stuff, makeup. Let's get into it. Maybelline Baby Skin. Remember when this was all the rage? It was like, you know, the next best thing drugstore wise to the Benefit Professionals. Anyways, I have been using this bad boy up. There's really not that much product left in here. I would probably run through this definitely hands down by the end of the month. I wouldn't be surprised if I'm kind of like squeezing it or if I cut the bottom open to get more product. But so far, again, I really do like the Maybelline Baby Skin. If you are looking for a drugstore primer, this is definitely it. I absolutely love it. It really smooths my skin and my pores are practically invisible with this stuff. So love the Maybelline Dream Cushion Foundation. I'm in the shade 55, which is caramel, and I like it. Like, I think that I like this foundation a lot more now than I had when I first purchased this, when it first kind of came out. I definitely like it more now. I don't use the sponge that it comes with. I actually use a beauty blender, or sometimes I've used a brush to kind of like dip it in there and like stipple it on my face. But overall, it's good. I don't know if I will repurchase it again after this because it's just not necessarily like my cup of tea, but I will go ahead and finish using this because I did buy it. And it's a liquid foundation. I would say it's like medium coverage, somewhat buildable. Eyeshadow base, I have been using an OG. This is the MAC Prep and Prime. This is the shade Medium Dark in MAC's Prep and Prime. In terms of eyeshadow palettes, it's downstairs because I've actually been using it pretty much every day for the entire month of August, but it's an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's not this one. This is the Modern Renaissance. The one that I've been using pretty much every single day for the past 2 weeks is a Soft Glam palette. I have it on my eyes right now. I absolutely love the Soft Glam palette. I absolutely love Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. Speaking of which, one of the hottest palettes to drop right now is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. Like, hello, I am beyond excited to get my hands on that. I believe it's already available online now, and if I'm not mistaken, it's available in stores at Sephora on my birthday, August 15th. Trust and believe, your girl will be there on her birthday. That is my birthday gift to myself. Hands down, the birthday gift to myself. So I would definitely be getting my hands on the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. I'm so excited. Congratulations to you, Jackie Aina. You're the shit. In terms of contour, blush, and highlight, I cheated a little bit and I used a palette, and the palette that I used is this one right here. This is the Tarte palette. This is a blush, highlight, and contour. And before we get into it, please do not come for me in the comments below because I'm using Tarte. I'm using it because it is Makeup Shayla's collaboration that she did with Tarte many, many years ago. And I actually really enjoy the blush. It's one of my favorite blushes, a ton of compliments on it, as well as the contour and bronzer shades. So let's get into it. You guys can see I've hit pan on that blush. Like, I'm almost going to be scraping the sides. I love the bronzer. I love the contour color, the highlight. It's absolutely amazing. I bring it with me when I travel just because it's compact and it's got a nice big mirror. I absolutely love it. And again, don't come for me. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up so I know you guys liked the content. Leave a comment down below if you guys like these videos. I highly recommend that you guys kind of, you know, develop the same habit, do the same thing, shop your stash, rather than going out and buying the newest, hottest makeup. I'm not gonna lie, right now is a really hard time to say that considering all the new foundations that came out, Pat McGrath, Fenty, and the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. I know it may be hard to resist, but definitely try to shop your stash because by doing so, I was able to rediscover a lot of my favorite OGs that I kind of forgotten about because they got pushed aside. And plus, you know, your money is not going to waste. The products are not collecting dust. So definitely, if you can, try to stock your stash as much as you possibly can. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a comment down below. If you did, thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. Bell button for those notifications because YouTube stays playing people. I don't want to get played. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.